This is Charles, I'm Lachlan, and we represent CMOL Pharmaceuticals Australia. Charles, can you talk about your background and the differences between Chinese and Western medicine?
I was educated in Hong Kong for 6 years and 2 years a master's degree in UTS, Australia. And I have practiced Chinese medicine 30 years. Chinese medicine and Western medicine is a different model. Chinese medicine is based on philosophy, while Western medicine based on science. So someone tell me if one doctor can know Chinese medicine and Western medicine, they can combine. I say no, they cannot combine because they are different model. Same as English, someone know English and Chinese, can they combine? No, it's impossible.
So what are the advantages of Chinese medicine?
I find that Chinese medicine and Western medicine, these are both have own advantages and disadvantages. However, Western medicine always fix the signs and symptoms. Chinese medicine can fix the underlying cause. So a lot of chronic disease, obesity disease, very difficult. Western medicine is impossible to fix. However, Chinese medicine can fix. So in this program, we are going to let you know different topics. The first topic, we are talking about the dizziness and vertigo. We will tell you what's the difference between Chinese medicine and Western medicine.
In this channel, we will talk about different topics of Chinese medicine. The first topic is vertigo and dizziness, and there are 2 videos in this part. The first video will talk about Chinese medicine theory, and the second video will talk about the herbs and how to fix vertigo and dizziness. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for future videos. If you experience vertigo, dizziness, or motion sickness, then this video is for you. Large population-based studies have found that in any given year, around 15 to 20% of people will experience dizziness. The older people get, the more likely they will experience these symptoms. It affects women 2 to 3 times higher than men. Vertigo is a subtype of dizziness where it feels like everything is spinning or tilting. Dizziness is the catch-all term which covers feelings of unsteadiness. It includes lightheadedness, imbalance, and vertigo itself. Both vertigo and dizziness may be accompanied by other symptoms such as migraines, nausea, vomiting, and can last anywhere from a few seconds to minutes. From a conventional medicine viewpoint, vertigo and dizziness most commonly arises from problems in the inner ear. This includes benign paroxysmal positional vertigo, or BPPV for short, which occurs when calcium particles clump together in the inner ear. This clumping affects messages sent from the inner ear to the brain, causing people to lose their sense of balance. Meniere's disease, which is thought to be caused by a buildup of fluid and changing pressure in the ear, and labyrinthitis, which is an infection of the balancing sensor in the inner ear. These are the physical occurrences in the body as observed by researchers, but Chinese medicine theory has long had an alternate explanation. In the Chinese medicine model of the body, each organ system is linked together by meridians. Meridians are essentially energy pathways that form a network throughout the body. There are 12 primary meridians and 8 extraordinary meridians. Each meridian is associated with a specific organ or function and plays a vital role in maintaining balance and health. The one to focus on, in this case, is the stomach meridian. It runs on both sides of the body, beginning at the head and extending downward along the front of the body. It starts below the eye, goes down through the cheeks and the jaw, and continues along the front of the neck, chest, and most importantly, the stomach. It then runs down the front of the leg and ends at the second toe. The stomach meridian is closely connected with the emotion of worry. When people experience prolonged stress, excessive worry, or anxiety, it can lead to an imbalance in the stomach meridian's energy. This stress could be from everyday work or study, or traumatic events such as relationship breakups, the loss of a loved one, or sudden life changes. It's quite common for extremely stressful events to cause people to lose their appetites or become nauseous. Just picture someone throwing up at the sight of something horrific.
It's because the emotional turmoil has blocked or disrupted the flow of energy in the stomach meridian. If not from stress, a poor diet including fried, greasy, spicy or sugary foods and cold food and drinks can also damage the flow of energy in the stomach meridian. Because of the meridian linking the stomach to the head, this disrupted flow leads to symptoms which vary between people. The most common is vertigo and dizziness, but people also experience persistent seasickness and motion sickness, head heaviness, which has been described as if there's something weighing down on the head, morning drowsiness, a blocked nose during sleep accompanied by sinuses, migraines, snoring or insomnia, nasal congestion when lying down. Many people have these symptoms which have been built up from years of stress or poor diets. The body does not clear this well automatically. An analogy is a landfill or dump where rubbish is continually accumulated. Even if no more rubbish is piled on, the landfill will remain the same size over time. The only way to solve this problem is to clean up the landfill. Our bodies are much the same way. After experiencing stress or poor diets over time, the stomach meridian has disrupted energy flow and, after a certain extent, cannot heal itself. Dizziness is a prevalent condition that affects a significant portion of the population, with a higher likelihood as people age, especially among women. In the holistic Chinese medicine model, prolonged stress, excessive worry, traumatic events, or poor dietary habits lead to imbalances in the stomach meridian. Disruptions in the flow of energy within the stomach meridian can lead to various symptoms because of its connection to the head. The symptoms can include vertigo and dizziness, persistent seasickness, head heaviness, morning drowsiness, and nasal congestion during sleep. This explanation using Chinese medicine theory sheds light on the potential origins of vertigo and dizziness, offering a different path for understanding and addressing these common health issues. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video.